Replacing a door in your Orangeburg home is an exciting opportunity to enhance both its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Whether you're replacing a front door, a patio door, or interior doors, selecting the right door style is essential for improving your home's overall look and security. With so many different styles, materials, and features to choose from, finding the best door style for your home may seem overwhelming. However, with the right guidance, you can confidently choose a door that complements your home's architecture, meets your needs, and stays within your budget. In this article, we'll guide you through the process of selecting the best door style for your Orangeburg home during a replacement project. Consider your home's architecture and style. The first step in selecting the best door style is considering the overall architectural design of your Orangeburg home. The door should complement your home's exterior and blend well with its existing features. Whether your home is modern, traditional, craftsman style, or colonial, the door style should align with these characteristics. Traditional or colonial homes. For homes with a classic, symmetrical design, a panel door or double door is often the perfect fit. A wooden or fiberglass door with raised panels will complement the traditional aesthetic while adding warmth and charm. Pairing these doors with decorative hardware or classic glass inserts can enhance the timeless look. Modern or contemporary homes. For homes with a sleek, minimalist look, flush doors or glass doors are excellent choices. These doors are simple and clean, with large glass panels or a smooth surface that aligns with modern design principles. Fiberglass doors with a frosted glass insert are also a great option for a contemporary, stylish appearance. Craftsman homes. If you have a craftsman-style home, consider a wooden door with intricate glass detailing or decorative panels. Craftsman doors often feature natural wood finishes, which add warmth and texture to your home's entrance. By considering the architectural style of your home, you can choose a door that fits seamlessly with your property's design, boosting both curb appeal and aesthetic value. Prioritize functionality and purpose. Different doors serve different purposes in your home, and understanding the function of the door will help you select the best style. Are you replacing a front door, patio door, or interior door? Each type of door has specific needs when it comes to security, privacy, and energy efficiency. Front doors. Your front door is not only the focal point of your home's exterior, but it also plays an important role in security. When choosing a front door, solid core doors made of steel or fiberglass provide strength and durability. These materials are excellent at insulating your home from the elements, improving energy efficiency, and preventing unauthorized access. Consider adding security features, such as deadbolts, reinforced locks, or smart locks for enhanced protection. Patio doors. For patio doors, you'll need to balance aesthetic appeal with functionality. Sliding glass doors are a popular choice for patios as they provide a wide opening for easy access to outdoor spaces while offering expansive views. French doors are another stylish option that opens fully, offering a larger opening for entertainment spaces. For both styles, make sure to choose energy-efficient glass to improve insulation and protect against heat loss or gain. Interior doors. If you're replacing interior doors, you have a wider range of styles to choose from. Consider panel doors for a traditional look or barn doors for a rustic charm. For rooms that require privacy, such as bedrooms or bathrooms, solid core doors are recommended as they help block sound and improve soundproofing. If you prefer a more contemporary style, frosted glass or French doors can add sophistication and provide some privacy while still allowing light to flow between rooms. Evaluate material and durability. Choosing the right material is crucial to the longevity and performance of your new door. Your selection should take into account your home's climate, budget, and how much maintenance you're willing to perform. Wooden doors. Wood is a classic choice for traditional homes and craftsman-style designs. It provides natural beauty, warmth, and texture but requires more maintenance than other materials. Wood doors need to be treated regularly to prevent issues such as rotting, warping, or fading from weather exposure. Fiberglass doors. If you want the look of wood without the high maintenance, fiberglass doors are a great alternative. They are durable, weather-resistant, and energy-efficient. Fiberglass doors come in a variety of styles and can be designed to mimic the appearance of wood, offering both beauty and practicality. They are also highly resistant to damage from extreme weather conditions, making them a great option for Orangeburg's climate. Steel doors. For maximum security and insulation, steel doors are an excellent option. They are incredibly durable, resistant to the elements, and provide great protection from break-ins. Steel doors are low maintenance and come in a variety of finishes, making them ideal for homeowners looking for a secure and practical option. Consider energy efficiency. When selecting a door, it's important to consider its energy efficiency. An energy-efficient door helps reduce heating and cooling costs, as it better insulates your home from external temperatures. Look for doors that feature insulated cores, weather stripping, and low-E glass coatings. These features improve thermal performance, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer while reducing the load on your HVAC system. Choose the right color and finish. Finally, consider the color and finish of your new door. The color should complement your home's exterior and overall design scheme. If you have a traditional or rustic style home, a natural wood finish or deep tones like cherry or mahogany might be ideal. For more modern homes, neutral colors such as gray, white, or black can provide a sleek, contemporary look. Conclusion: make the right choice for your Orangeburg home. When replacing doors in your Orangeburg home, it's essential to choose a style that not only complements your home's design but also meets your functional needs. By considering the architecture, material durability, energy efficiency, and security requirements, you can select a door that enhances your home's comfort, style, and protection. Whether you're upgrading your front door, patio door, or interior doors, choosing the right door is an investment that will pay off for years to come.